All right, we got the Schuler 20-ton with the rotary table. Again, PLC is not taking commands right now. We got lights in there, I'll show you later, but what we're gonna do is run a stroke through, and you got a speed change point. Those limit switches are not working right now either because they're not talking to the PLC, but we're gonna run it through a full stroke at the fast advance return, and then we're gonna run it through the pressing speed. So whenever you're ready, Ryan, go ahead. That was the fast speed. Do it again, please. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6. All right, beautiful. Let's run it through the slow. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000. 8, 1,000, 9, 1,000. All right, you're about half the speed. Do it one more time, please, sir. One more time. 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 8, 1,000, 9, 1,000. Yep, same thing. All right. Then the only thing we need to do is index the table. So judging by this, was probably set up for 4 index stations. Looking at the witness marks of what they had on here, looks like they had 4 index stations set up previously. Here's your panel. Throw that down too. And here's the
original program from the PLC2 Boyle and Bradley. So it shows the IOs and what they're supposed to be doing there, all the logic. So you could recreate it right through that.
All right. Here's what's in there now. There's your space that you've got. Walk around the rest of the machine. 480 volt is the way it's set up right now. Slide that ladder out for me, please, sir, so I can get around the back. There's your pressure adjust, your valving. Thank you very much. Here's your motor, hydraulics. Valving up top. Cylinder was in real nice shape. Let me know if there's any questions. Thank you.